In the video tutorial, this time, we're going to discuss about data transpose. So here I already have a table containing data. I will transpose the data later. For example, this month is in the form of a line, later he will be a column. This zone is also like that. This year is also like that. How to transpose I will do 3 ways. So, in this video I'm gonna be giving 3 ways to transpose data. Okay, the first way I'm gonna select this table like this. I will choose this table like this. Or if there's a lot of tables, we can do by pressing Ctrl+A. Click one of the cells, like this or here, whatever. Important the cell is in this table. Then press Ctrl+A. Will then be elected all the data in the table. Then copy by right-click. Then select copy. Or you can press Ctrl+CD keyboard. Then move it to specific cells, for example here. Then select this paste. But what was chosen was the arrow. Then choose Paste Special. Next up, guys, can transpose. So, if this is all you guys choose transpose for, the format will follow in the transpose. Yes, for example, this color will go along. Orange color, this will come later. Yes, I click OK. See the results. True, I said that. The format will follow. Well, this is not wide enough. We can widen. Well, like that. So this is the month. Originally was a row into a column like this. Then the zone also initially rows into columns. Then the year also like that. This is the first way. The second way, guys, can do it. We are directly. Just choose directly, because we've copied. Select paste this. Then select the special paste. Only hear the difference. Guys, vote transpose. Then select the value. Well, like that, yeah. Pick the value. So then, just the value is only in transpose. For the format is not in. The format was like the color is not follow ya. This orange color does not come. Click OK. Well, like this. It's not just the color. Value alone, only the value alone, which is in transpose. Then the third way, we can use the formula. How, friends? Make the formula. But before we make this formula, we just eliminate it. The selection. Then here we make the formula. Equals. The formula is transpose. Well, this is double click only, then blocked. This table. Or selected this table. Then close the bracket, then enter. Well, it just goes like this. So there are 3 ways, guys, in this video. The first one, it's transpose follow the format, which is the table format. The second, without table format. The third, by using the formula, also without the table format. So these 3, hopefully these 3, helpful for friends. It can make work easier for friends. Hopefully this tutorial useful. Thank you.